guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna go ahead and play around with some nail polishes to make the famous trend right now, the jelly nails. And we're just gonna go ahead and do that really fast. My daughter is right here with me.
Hello.
So we're going to need some monomer, clear nail tips, and nail polishes of your choice, and an old brush. This is my old brush that I kind of messed up a while ago. So this is just an old brush that I have. It's from Organic Nails and it's a number 6. We're gonna need some clear acrylic, and now we're ready to get started. I am going to add the first 3 drops, and that's enough that I will need for this color. You can add more, but it's just up to you. I started with 3 drops, and that's more than enough for me. So once you have all your 3 drops, just make sure that you really mix your monomer with your nail polish, and I'm just using the same brush to mix this. So once I have everything mixed, I'm gonna try it out and see if I like the shade. And if you're happy with the color, you can go ahead and apply. So this is just how I am going to leave it. And you want to add your pearls somewhat runny, just because you want to try to avoid any bubbles. And as you can see, I'm lightly patting the product. I'm not trying to run it or anything or pull it with the brush. I'm just going to apply it and lightly pat it into place. And this brush is small. If you'd rather have a bigger brush and grab less pearls, or if a small brush is good for you, then this is how I am doing it, with little pearls and just applying it where I need it. Just making sure that nothing falls off to the sides too much, and leave it off as a nice covered nail so that I won't have to apply too much product. So these are just some very easy, fast nails that you can do. Alright guys, we're back, and here's the outcome for both of these, the green and the orange. They are both transparent, see-through. I did not file or buff, I just applied the top coat, but this is how they look. I really do like the outcome. Definitely will try it with other colors. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.